Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Face ID and passcode. Then enter your current passcode and choose Setup Face ID. Now read the instructions, hit Get Started at the bottom, and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can click on one of those options. Use Face ID with a mask, don't use ID with a mask, or set up later. I will go with Use Face ID with a mask. So now I can add my face data one more time. Finally, click on Done. And over here, tap on Set up an alternative appearance if you wish to, and add your face data again. You can do exactly the same by choosing Add Glasses. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!